being helped more than ever for that, right? And
Yes.
it happens more in men than women. Well, I mean, I've noticed I'm losing my hair too. I mean, I'm not going to lie with age, but it seems to be more prevalent in men.
Yes, I mean, men are more susceptible because a lot of those changes are related to testosterone specifically and byproducts of testosterone. So yeah, we're treating men specifically for, greater hair loss and complete balding. Women very often perimenopausal and postmenopausal have issues with thinning of the hair, but there are other options available that may not be, surgical treatments, although those patients very often are candidates for surgical treatment as well. So the non-surgical options are, again, nutrition, vitamins and supplements, topical shampoos and lotions that can stabilize the hair so you have less shedding and thinning. And there's very good scientific evidence now that PRP, the platelet-rich plasma, where we take some of your own peripheral blood and we separate it with special reagents into the plasma, and specifically the plasma that is very rich in platelets, which are blood products, and products that are produced by those platelets that can stimulate hair growth. This PRP is being used in medicine for all types of treatments these days, mostly to treat inflammatory conditions like arthritis or tendinitis, because it's got very potent anti-inflammatory effects. It also has very potent neovascularization effects where it stimulates tissues to grow new blood vessels. But that substance can help stabilize hair follicles and limit loss of hair and thinning of hair, and even stimulate growth of new hair. So when you have just beginning of thinning in young men or in women who are perimenopausal or even before menopause.
And here's a picture right here.
Yeah, then these non-surgical options may be of benefit. Now in a patient like this who has had more hair loss and wants restoration of hair and wants immediate restoration of hair, then that's when we go to these surgical procedures. NeoGraft is a specific technique, and it's a specific device that is used for what we call follicular unit extraction and implantation. So these days, modern day hair restoration, we're all performing grafting instead of with plugs, with these older techniques of taking large plugs of hair. We're taking each individual hair follicle or cluster of hair follicles and then reimplanting each individual hair follicle.